Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and powering both devices. First, make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS available. You need that to deliver updates to the watch. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on the iPhone and keep the watch nearby. Charge the watch above 50% or place it on its charger so the update won't stop. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap General, then Software Update to let the process find the new Watch OS for installation. You'll tap Download and install and follow on-screen prompts. This downloads the update to your iPhone first. While it downloads, keep both devices unlocked and within a few feet. That reduces transfer errors. After the download completes, the iPhone prepares the update and sends it to the watch. This can take several minutes. Enter passcodes when prompted to authorize the install. Make sure the watch stays on its charger and the iPhone remains connected to power until the watch restarts. You'll finish by waiting for the Apple Watch to install and restart. Don't remove it from the charger or close the Watch app during this time. Once the watch boots to the home screen, open the Watch app and confirm the version under About. If the update appears stuck or fails, restart both the iPhone and watch, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active, and retry the update. That restart often clears transfer issues. If it still fails, free up space on the watch and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.